While the Cherokee Nation has not been involved in a recent lawsuit specifically regarding Texas lands, historically they spent more than a century attempting to gain compensation for land unjustly taken by the Republic and state of Texas. Their attempts were unsuccessful, and the Cherokee people were forcibly removed from Texas in 1839. The Cherokee settlement in Texas in the early 1800s, some Cherokees began moving west to escape mounting pressure from settlers in their homelands. By the 1820s, a group of about 60 Cherokee families led by Chief Bull, Diwali, settled in East Texas, under the belief that Spanish and later Mexican authorities would grant them title to the land. In 1836, just before the Battle of San Jacinto, a treaty negotiated by Sam Houston was signed by Chief Bull and other Cherokee leaders. It would have established a reservation for the Cherokees in East Texas in exchange for their neutrality in the conflict between Texas and Mexico. The expulsion and uncompensated land seizure treaty ignored. Despite the treaty, the new Republic of Texas refused to ratify the agreement. The second president, Mirabeau B. Lamar, advocated for the expulsion of all Native Americans from Texas. Forced removal. In the summer of 1839, the Texas Army attacked the Cherokee settlement, killing Chief Bull and more than 100 of his people in the Battle of the Neches. The survivors were driven into Indian Territory, now Oklahoma. Unsuccessful lawsuits. For the next 100 years, the Cherokees made repeated efforts to sue the state of Texas for compensation for their land, but they were unsuccessful. A 1963 lawsuit filed on behalf of the Cherokees was denied by the Texas Attorney General, who claimed the state was not liable for claims against the Republic of Texas. Recent unrelated Cherokee lawsuits. While the historical claims against Texas have been unsuccessful, the Cherokee Nation has recently been involved in other legal actions, often to settle outstanding claims against the U.S. government for its management of tribal assets. In 2024, the Cherokee Nation secured an $80 million settlement from the federal government for decades of mismanagement of tribal trust funds and resources. In January 2025, the Cherokee Nation planned to use the settlement funds to build a new judicial center in Oklahoma.